Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you an alternative of headbands, crochet headband. You know, on my channel, your favorite, here I put the link now, my 4 braided headband, and this is alternative, only 2 rows repeating, and these 2 rows actually 1 row repeating. So simple, so easy. You can do that so fast crocheting. It's a perfect gift. You can make your cables, every cable different color, or you can use, like me, a cozy yarn. So simple and so funny. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. I made it for an adult, but you can adapt it easily for childs. I told everything. I hope you like it too. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our cable braid headband. Let's start to crochet. I will use this yarn in my headband, but double folded. Okay, it's Luna Altın ilmek, and it's 98% of premium acrylic, 2% of polyester. One ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 200 meters. They recommend us using 5mm hook, but I will use this double folded, and I will use 8mm hook. We need for this pattern multiples of 3 plus 2. You will make your chains comes to 52 centimeter. With this yarn and hook, I need 56 chains, 54 multiples of 3 plus 2. First of all, make a slip knot. Then make your chains 1, 2, 3, not make so tight, okay, 4, 5. I made 54 chains. This is multiples of 3 plus 2, totally 56. It's for an adult. It's equal to, with my yarn and 8mm hook, 52 centimeter. If you want to make it for a child, you need nearly make your chains 44 to 48 centimeter. Be careful that multiples of 3. Then skip very first stitch, insert into the second one, grab your yarn and make a single crochet. Then insert into the next stitch, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops again, make a single crochet on the second stitch. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together, you made half double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2 and pull through 2, you make double crochet. After, skip 2 stitch, insert into the third one and make a single crochet. Yarn over, insert into the same, make half double. Yarn over, insert into the same, make double crochet. Skip 2, 1 and 2, insert into the third one, grab your yarn and start with single crochet, insert into the same, make half double, yarn over, insert into the same, make double crochet, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Keep repeat like that. Skip 2, insert into the third one, start with single crochet, yarn over, make half double crochet, yarn over and make double crochet into the same stitch. Then skip 2. You will keep repeat until come to the end. I complete this row and turn to you. You will come to the end and look at here. I have 1, 2, 3 chains stitch left. Skip 2, insert into the third one, the last stitch. Only make single crochet and finish the row. Okay. As same as you start. Chain 1 and turn your work. Not count and insert into the same stitch. Make single crochet, yarn over, insert into the same, make half double crochet, yarn over, insert into the same, make double crochet. Skip 2 and insert your hook third stitch. This stitch previous row single crochet stitch and make single crochet. Again make half double crochet in the same stitch. Again make double crochet. Skip 2, insert into the third one, make a single crochet, make half double crochet and make double crochet. I come to end and turn to you. You will repeat it. Skip 2, come to third, as same as the first row, only one row repeating. I complete the second row and turn to you. When I come to the end, again skip 2, insert into the third one, join with a single crochet. We left here 1 stitch, you know, make 1 slip stitch and finish my row, only making 2 rows. Then chain 1 and cut my yarn but long tail. Okay, you will prepare like this cable, totally 4 cable like that. I have here, I prepared 3. This is the fourth one. The fourth ones I will get a tail because I use for sew these cables together, and I will put them same way like it. Then hold them and start to sew these cables together. You can join it with hook, but this time it comes to me more easy. Cut my yarn. Now we make its braiding. We have 4 cables, you can see that. Now I will take this on the second one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the first one. Put the second ones. Then take this third one on the fourth one. Then take this on it in the middle. Then do the same thing. First like that, then take this on it. This in the middles, on the left to right. Take the first one, right to left. Take the third one, right to left. Then This time the middle cables put the left to right, like it, onto that, then put it like that, again like it, then put it on that, the middles put it right to left, then right to left, here two middle cable, left to right. Okay. I will one more time we do that. Put it first one on the second one, put the third one on the fourth one, and these are the middles one here. This side hold it tightly. Okay, then make our braid. This is the last part here. First of all, you can again use hook. I will sew it again. Hold these pieces together. Then make your control, then put two sides together and join two sides. Okay, with the loops. And that's it. It's finished. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. You can make it easily. You can make every cable different color, or you can use it like me. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.